Welcome to CAD/CAM laboratory. Already 4 parts created in this project assembly. Now remaining parts will be created using clear parametric software. Now we create a screw and open clear parametric software. Choose front view, sketch view. The value of this line is 27 and the diameter is 12 to create a line. This value is 6. This value is 27. Then we create a inclined line. Line angle is 45 degree. +90 +45 degrees. And the line distance is 6 mm. Create a line. Close the profile. Give OK. Choose revolve command. Choose the center axis. Give OK. And then choose front plane. Sketch view. Draw a rectangle. Just project the line. Go for rectangle, center rectangle. Value is 2,4. The remaining part will be deleted. The projected line. Give OK. Extrude. Now the material will be removed. Section on both sides. Give OK. The screw part is created. Next, we create a dummy bar. So dimensions of this bar is inside is 12. So off is 6 and length is 62. File, new, OK. Choose the plane, pitch, change the orientation, choose line. This value is 6. Total length is 262 and the angle is 45 degree. Draw a line. The angle is 90 plus 45, roughly 135, and this value is so already 12 is created. The remaining total depth is in diameter is 20, and this value is 4. Extend up to 4 mm. And draw a straight line. Up to 275 minus 62. The length. -275 minus 62. What is completed? Line. Okay. Just revolve. Contract this. Okay. Then round option. Okay. So now the tummy bar is created. Next we create special washer. File, new. Okay. Select the plane, front view, sketch. Choose the orientation. Then value is from center. This point is up to 12 diameter. Starting point is 12. Draw a line. Point is 6. And then this value is 11.5 and the line is 5.5. The line distance is 5.5 and this angle is 45 degree. The length is 2.5. Center line. Angle is 90 plus 45. Its length is 2.5. Okay. And draw a line. The dimension, this point to this point, length is 12. Create a line. Minus 45 degree. Create a line like this point. Okay. Split segment. The profile is created. Okay. Revolve. Choose this plane. The part is created. Okay. So all the parts created. So next video, go for assembly. Thank you.